What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. This is the second part of solving quadratic equation in the form of x squared plus bx plus c equals to 0 by completing the square. If you haven't watched the first part of this section, please go back and watch the part 1 first. So the first example here is x squared minus 6x equals to 16. We need to solve it using the completing this square or perfect square trinomial. So the first thing, we always need to isolate the variable terms on one side and the constant terms on the other side. And then we get this term here, the coefficient of x, which in this case is negative 6. We divide it by 2, that will be negative 3, and then square it, and we add it to both sides and then solve it. For example, here we have negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. Negative 3 to the power of 2 is 9. So we add it to both sides. That will make it x minus 3 to the power of 2. 16 plus 9 is 25. So then we can say x minus 3 is plus minus 5. Therefore, x minus 3 is 5. X minus 3 is negative 5. For the first one, x will be 8. And this one will be negative 2. Next example. Have x squared minus 4x equals to 12. Answer is, you have negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. Negative 2, we need to square it. That will be positive 4. Negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 4. Then we add it to both sides. So that will be x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals to 12 plus 4. X squared minus 4x plus 4 is perfect square trinomial. 12 plus 4 is 16. So x minus 2 is plus minus 4. So one answer is x minus 2 is 4. One answer x minus 2 is negative 4. Therefore x will be 6. And here x will be negative 2. Next one, m squared minus 10m equals to 11. Answer is, we have negative 10 as the coefficient, divided by 2 is negative 5. Negative 5 to the power of 2 is 25. So we have m squared minus 10m plus 25 equals to 11 plus 25. So that will be m minus 5 to the power of 2. 11 plus 25 is 36. So we have m minus 5 plus minus 6. m minus 5 is plus 6. m minus 5 is negative 6. So in the first case, that will be 6 plus 5, 11. Here will be negative 1. That's the final answer. I hope you liked it. Please like it if you find it interesting and useful. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Have a great day, and I'll come back with another video very soon.